In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join America's server NordVPN. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect to a United States server using the NordVPN app so your traffic routes through the US quickly and reliably. First, open the NordVPN app on your computer. You'll land on the main dashboard. If you've used it before, everything should look familiar. If you're brand new, don't worry. What we're about to do is simple and only takes a moment. Having the latest version of the app helps, so if your screen looks different from mine, consider updating after you watch this walkthrough. Next, look to the left side of the app for the small globe icon. This icon opens the VPN server list. Go ahead and click it. Think of this as your gateway to every available location. If your sidebar is minimized, expand it so the globe icon is easy to spot. Once the server panel opens, choose all locations. This ensures you're seeing the complete list rather than a short set of recent or recommended servers. It's the fastest way to access every country without diving into extra menus. Now, let's find the US server. In the search bar at the top of the locations panel, type United States. As you type, the app filters results in real time, and you'll see United States appear with the country flag. You can also scroll through the list alphabetically if you prefer, but searching is usually faster and avoids missing it if you scroll too quickly. When United States appears, click it to connect. The app will begin establishing a secure tunnel and automatically pick an optimal US server for you. You'll see a brief connecting animation, then a confirmation that you're connected. Look for a clear status indicator, such as a green connected label and the country name, which lets you know your connection is active. From this point on, your internet traffic is routed through a server in the United States. If performance isn't what you expect, it's normal for speeds to vary based on distance and server load. You can disconnect and reconnect to let NordVPN choose a different US server automatically, or explore city-specific options under United States if you want to fine-tune your location later. And if you plan to use US servers often, consider marking the country as a favorite so it's quicker to access next time. That's it. You open NordVPN, use the globe icon to view all locations, search for United States, and click to connect. You're now on a US server and ready to browse.